Well, the windshield was blown to pieces in the crash. So, like I said, I'm using 3/32 balsa. This is the thing that the wing sits on. I got the template from that. But this will actually strengthen it up because it's attached here. There's a crack here, so that's gonna make it more solid. Right now I'm sanding it. Oh yeah, we're rednecking it up.
Building it for rednecks. For all you rednecks out there, nobody's forgetting about you.
Nope.
Because we're pretty much rednecks ourselves, even though he lives in the city.
Not really in the city, but
well, in a town that has rednecks. Well, next, after this, we'll have the engine mounted, and maybe some of the electronics put back in it. Maybe. Alright? Peace.
We made some pretty good progress. We just about have the motor on, but it's stuck on something. It's binding. The fuel tank or something. I shouldn't have put that in first. We gotta take it out now.
Here's our wood job.
Yeah. Oh crap. I think I went through the phone. God, my nose is itchy. If I could see in there, it'd be real easy. Oh, here we go. I did go through the phone.
Quit moving.
Well, right now we're putting the servos and the receiver and all that back in it. I gotta swap out a servo here because the servo for the elevator went bad. So, plugging this one in here. I've never done any of this. Oops. Guess it doesn't need the eyelets. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's not good. What? Oh boy. That's that. Oh wait, I know how to fix it. Never mind. We are getting really tired here. It's 3 in the morning. You zooming in on the clock?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're gonna put the electronics in it. Show it over there. I had to put a new servo in the elevator. That's what I was doing the last time. But strangely,
This thing.
Okay, that's gonna be another comment request. Leave a comment if this servo sounds strange to you. It's making almost like a grinding sound. Now listen to the rudder. That sounds normal. This doesn't.
Do the other one.
Oh, throttle, yeah. This one kind of makes a similar noise. Or maybe even that servo's bad. I don't know, but leave a comment. Alright. We'll get back to you.
Peace. Well, this is the time.
I'm getting frustrated.
We're frustrated, tired, and exhausted. We've been smelling too much glue today. Well, tonight. And well, he's messing around with his antenna on his remote.
Radio.
The electronics are in the plane and they work.
Yeah, but...
And, well, it's gonna be a long, long day. Wake up. We got plane work to do.
Oh yeah. Oh, the update. Yeah. I don't remember what happened on the last video because I'm way too tired.
We were working on electronics, trying to get everything to work.
Yeah, we were hooking everything in and trying to, that thing. So anyways, all the electronics, I gotta stop saying electronics, servos and receiver and, battery pack, just all that is in. I adjusted everything, the tail is straight, the rudder is straight. I don't know about the throttle, it looks kind of strange, but maybe it was harmed in the wreck. Tail wheel moves. The push rod isn't on there very well, but it moves. It's one solid piece now.
Hopefully.
Well, there's two things we have to do until it is flyable. First of all, we have to sand all this because that looks junky and cover this. Both sides and the bottom. And the wing needs a new, because there's one servo on the wing, it needs a new servo arm. An arm. So that's what it needs. The needle valve got bent back in the wreck, but I don't think it did anything. I can still taxi it on the ground, just to see if it'll run,
Hey, show them that it works.
Oh yeah. We kept flicking it on and flicking it off, and boy, I'm at like 80 or something on that radio. I don't know. I bet the receiver battery is even worse. Here we go. Rudder. Well, look at the nose gear too. And then on the nose gear. Tail. And you gotta come up and look in the carburetor for the throttle.
And here's the throttle.
Yep. You can zoom in there. You can see the way that the servo, I don't know, should I call it a bed? The servo bed or whatever, that all that goes into, was I had to put it in crooked, but I CA'd it in there and used accelerator, and everything's just one solid piece. And
hopefully it's flyable by this morning, because
actually
it's
6.
Wait, hold on. Where is the clock? Oh, there she is.
It's 6.
Yeah, it's pretty early. We stayed up all night just to get this piece of fine machinery working again.
Yeah, we did.